Hello guys, welcome back to this channel, and in today's video right here I just brought you guys new video on 10 best freelance websites for you guys to actually use to make cool cash for yourself. I know some people have been actually telling me what are those freelancing sites I can actually use to make money for myself. What are those sites and this and that? Okay, so that's why I actually brought these sites for you guys today. And yes guys, please don't forget that my online course is still available, that you are going to be learning YouTube, affiliate marketing and arbitrage, all for just $10, which is actually 5,000 naira. So to my newbies here, welcome, and to my returning subscribers, welcome back. So we're going to get into the video right now, right? Alright, so that will take us to the first on my list. It's actually Fiverr. Yes, guys. So Fiverr is actually the number one freelancing site in the whole world. Fiverr actually works worldwide. Yes, guys. I see it on your screen here. It says the perfect freelance service for your business. Yes, guys. So Fiverr is actually somewhere that you can actually freelance to make money and do other things. So second one is actually Upwork, and Upwork too is actually the second apart from Fiverr. Yes, guys. So it's actually the second freelancing site where you can actually make money online freelancing, or you can actually hire freelancers there to get any of your job done perfectly for yourself and without any hassle. So the third one on my list right now is freelancer.com. So freelancer.com is actually my third on my list, and yes, so if you want me to actually make complex videos about all of them, please just comment down in the comment section, or tell me which one you think is the best for yourself and which one to make a video. So the fourth one on my list is actually People Per Hour. So People Per Hour is actually a freelancing site which has actually, I've actually signed up there and actually be using the site for a long time period of time right now, and it's actually working. It's actually a freelancing site where you get jobs done and you also make money there as a freelancer. Yes, guys. So that's what free People Per Hour actually, as you can see, say make price ideas happen. So the fifth one on my list is no other site but Flexjobs. Yes, guys. So Flexjobs, just go to the Google or any of your browser, just search for Flexjobs, and it's going to show you this interface. It's going to show you this freelancing site where you can actually do it for yourself. So just do anything, guys. Just make sure you are making money online. So just and the sixth one on my list is no other one but SimplyHired. Yes, guys. So SimplyHired is actually a freelancing site again, which you can actually freelance there, or you can actually hire freelancers to get any of your jobs done. And it's actually one of the high demand freelancing companies or sites also. So all these sites are actually cool. The seventh one on my list also is TaxRabbits. Yes, guys. So TaxRabbits is no other. It's not a new company. It's actually a site that have been there all this while, and as you can see here, it says get $10 off your first task. Yes, guys. So just perform your first task on TaxRabbit and you get your first cash of TaxRabbits. Yes, guys. So the eighth one on my list is no other one but ServiceSkill. ServiceSkill is actually a freelancing site also, and where you can actually get your jobs done within, with no hassles yet, guys. Just, come up to ServiceSkill. Just go to your browser, search for ServiceSkill. You can actually make cool cash from there, from any country which are. The ninth one on my list is no other one but LinkedIn. Yes, guys. So LinkedIn is actually one of the sites which I also make traffic from also every day, and you can also do it for yourself, make cool cash for yourself with LinkedIn is actually a professional place where you can actually get jobs done, and you can actually get traffic, get people to yourself. So the 10th and the last but not the least one is Design Hill. Yes, guys. So as you can see on the interface, it says build your brand with the number one creative marketplace.